Hello. Hello to all my buddies. How are all of you? Surprise. Very much surprised, I'm sure. Yeah? Yeah? Surprise, huh? Sure. Okay. Okay. This is the most joyful day, full of happiness, not only for me, but for all of you. I'm sure you all are going to now watch and see what is next. What is she trying? What's she talking? And it's all based on birthday, of course. So let's have some good chit chat today. Though I know I'm the only one in front of the camera over here, I have people at the backstage. And today it's my turn. And always it has been Dhruv's turn, but I can see that naughty boy with such big eyes looking at me, and he's so excited because, and he's so happy. You know why? It's not his turn, you know. Today he's sitting there and watching me. Yeah. And then my better half, he's also sitting there and he's admiring me. Okay, anyway, how do I look today? Wow, wow, hands clapping, eh? I can hear the claps, I can hear the wow, wow from there. And it was Ria who picked up this dress from the cupboard and told, Mummy, today you're going to wear this. Okay, yeah, and I also heard to her because I know that she knows best what fits me and what looks nice on me. Okay, and there's been little makeup here and there, all done by her. Thanks, Ria. Now, when I did like this, I think you understood which side of me she's sitting down over there, right? And then this lovely lighting and all this what you're seeing over here, all this get up has been done, as you know, by the most skillful and most creative person. Manish, surely it's him. Don't envy, You all must be waiting for your turns to come. And then, anyway, Manish is always ready to take out, and as that is his passion, that's his passion. I love him for all this. Love it. Only that he does not come in front of the camera, anyways. Now, today is my birthday, and everybody's birthday comes. Today mine, tomorrow yours, next day somebody else's. We all are having our birthdays and we are celebrating it. And this time I'm celebrating it in this way in which you are seeing me, and it's so nice, Anyway, at least we like it that this kind of technology also has come, that though we are far apart, aren't we seeing each other as though we are just face to face with each other? Really, thanks to all the technology over there. Isn't it, Vicky? Am I right? Okay. And then I think I'll have a little break, you also, by me singing a song to you. Let me think of the rest, okay? For the time being, it's a song to all of you. ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप। थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है. Again another claps for me. Okay. Now, after the little break that we had, now I should say that birthday, again back to birthday. Today, the origin of me goes to my mother and father. What are birthdays? Birthdays are the origin, the specification of ourselves. What we have come into this world for, what are we going to take and go? 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला. क्या लेके आया जग में, क्या लेके जाएगा, क्या लेके जाएगा, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला. Isn't it? Oh ma, that's very good. Okay. You see, now we are becoming old, no? That's why so much jnani we are becoming. I think I better not talk all this to you teenagers. So many teenagers, so many you young people are looking at me today, and I am talking as though, only the old people. Any old people over here? No, we all are young. Even I am also young. Why do I call myself to be old? Am I? Am I? No or yes? No. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for all that. Thank you. And now what's the program for tomorrow? What's the program? You all are thinking? Okay, a little treat from my side you will be getting tomorrow. Okay, clap for that. Come on. So you can be expecting it in the evening hours. You know what? எல்லாத்துக்கும் இது வேணும். வேணுமா இல்லையா? வேணும். So, tomorrow let us enjoy. Okay? Simple, but with all my love, with all my heart, please accept it and fill your little tummies to some limit, okay? Okay? Enjoy. And then, shall we have another break?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Now, you know what? Before I proceed, let me tell you that there's a friend of Manish, a good friend of Manish, who keeps sending her. Now I tell her, friend, her. Okay, it's a she. And she sends songs which she is singing on karaoke. And they are so nice, and I and Ria sit back and we think, when are we going to sing on karaoke? So today I would like Ria to join me, but she refuses to join me. Anyway, I will try all my best. So Ria, please hand me the mobile. Okay. This is a song on karaoke. See how it goes. Okay? Sit back, enjoy yourself. If you want, get something to eat and come. Eat and see. Popcorn? Okay. There's somebody over there looking and saying, yeah, I want popcorn. Yeah, I want popcorn. Bale. Okay. And now here the song goes. Ria?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. This song, actually, I always like this song, and I also would want to be remembered like what the song lyrics go. The lyrics of the song are really good, and I hope to be remembered the same way as this song. Thank you. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. मुझसे पहले कितने शायर आए और आकर चले गए, कुछ आहें भरकर लौट गए, कुछ नगमे गा कर चले गए। वो भी एक पल का किस्सा थे, मैं भी एक पल का किस्सा हूँ। कल तुमसे जुदा हो जाऊँगा, वो आज तुम्हारा हिस्सा हूँ। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। कल और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चुनने वाले, मुझसे बेहतर कहने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले। कल कोई मुझको याद करे, क्यों कोई मुझको याद करे, मसरूफ़ ज़माना मेरे लिए क्यों वक्त अपना बर्बाद करे। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है। Actually, we have not practiced that much, but we are doing that. And you know what? It's really very good when you go on the karaoke and the wordings are there. You just have got to sing. And voice, of course, please don't go to the voice, okay? That one thing I will not agree to. It is what I like, I have sung. Hope you all liked it. Once again, claps, please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Uh, Now, what else can I say? What else is there to say? Anything? Anyway, I'll have to say this surely, that each and every one in the family, our family, flocking birds, all have given me so much of inspiration. You all are so nice, and we are very happy that we all form this kind of a group, flocking birds, really, with so many of WhatsApp messages coming every day from the great Asha. Asha, of course, all clap for Asha. It cannot go without going clapping for her. That girl, really, she deserves a lot. She's the one. I always read all her messages, and then really she inspires me so much. And we have such strong characters with us, such nice strong characters. We all have got to learn from all these strong characters. Really, it is so nice. And I think before I give farewell to all of you, it has been really good, and hope for more such good time, more such fun time with all of you. And I end over here with the song which I and my brother, it was a hot favorite of us, and he's still remembered by me even today by this song. तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you. I wish you all to have a good time tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.